This case is about to heat up fast. Summer Bailey in probation for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon now faces accusations of violating probation. And here's the twist. A single violation could flip her entire sentence, putting her at risk of 20 years behind bars. This is where courtroom promises collide with cold, hard reality. The judge isn't here to play, and Summer's answers will decide whether she walks away with a deal or a prison cell. Let's see how this unfolds.
Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Actually, like attorney Miss Bailey.
And are you Miss Bailey?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I don't understand it, but yes, I have it in my hand.
All right. So basically what that is, that's a document.
Yes, ma'am.
And that document is complaining, and I'm going to tell you in layman's term, it's complaining that you are on probation, that you're currently on probation. Do you realize you're on probation?
Yes, ma'am.
And they're saying that the conditions or instructions that the court has given you,
Yes, ma'am.
they're saying that either you didn't follow it or you violated it in
Yes,
some
ma'am.
way. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you the same Summer Bailey who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7574 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years and extended for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 43 on or about the 12th day of June 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. Defendant Summer D. Bailey did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant failed to attend outpatient treatment in violation of condition number 43.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. I did not complete it.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 43, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 20 years in prison and up to a
Yes, ma'am.
$10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation 43?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition 43 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. And just for the record, we do waive and abandon the other, or the remainders violations.
Oh, I'm
And-
so sorry. I don't have that report, but
Sorry.
No.
There's a supplemental that.
thank you for waiving those.
And the agreement for the court's consideration is that you grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant, sentence her to 4 years TDC, and the state is going to take into consideration clause number 2025 PF 35078.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement, Miss Bailey?
And just like that, Bailey admits the violation. True, I did not complete it, in legal terms. Pleading true means the judge can revoke probation and impose the maximum penalty up to 20 years. But here's where strategy kicks in. The defense and prosecution strike a plea bargain for just 4 years in state prison. This is a massive reduction, but it comes with strings attached. She must waive her right to appeal. Think about that. One word, true, takes the case from a maybe to a guaranteed prison sentence. Do you think she was smart to take the deal? Or should she have fought harder, knowing what was at stake? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Summer Denise Bailey.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
I don't know how to answer that question.
All right. So
I mean, I know what it means. I
do
just
you
don't-
understand the question?
I understand the question. I just
Okay.
don't know how to answer it properly.
You want to speak with your attorney about that?
Really. I guess I'll waive it.
No. I don't want guessing because
I know.
this is very
I know
serious.
it is. I know
So
it's very
here's the
serious,
thing.
but nobody
Do
will.
you, when you are on probation in a court, the state and the defense, they're really not allowed to have an agreement and then I have to accept their agreement. The agreement that they've reached, I don't have to accept it. I can sentence you to 20 years in prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're telling me you want me to follow the agreement that you've had with your attorney and with the state. Is that correct?
And I said, yes, ma'am.
All right. So if you want me to follow that agreement, then my next question to you is, are you going to waive your right to appeal? You may want to discuss that with your defense attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you waiving your right
Yes,
to
ma'am.
appeal? All right. The court then is going to follow your agreement. The court is going to grant your motion. I'm sorry, grant the state's motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Richard
And
Cantu. Take in consideration 2025 PF 35078. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Judge, just really briefly, it looks like she did complete safety and custody. And I believe she has 273 days credit for that.
All right, so I'll give credit for any time served for a successful completion of inpatient treatment. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you sign it?
yes, ma'am.
All right, because this was a plea bargain agreement that you've reached, because I followed the plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So I have requested the therapeutic community for you. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's to help you with maybe if you have mental health issues, if you have drug issues, it will help you with that. When you're released from prison, if you can't find a place that can help you with that, if I'm still here, you come back here and I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here's where it lands. Summer Bailey is officially sentenced to 4 years in state custody. With credit for time served and a court-requested therapeutic program to address substance abuse and mental health issues, what started as deferred adjudication for aggravated assault ends with a revoked probation, a felony conviction, and years of freedom lost. This is a stark reminder that probation isn't leniency, it's a test. Fail the conditions, and the court won't hesitate to bring down the full weight of sentencing. For Bailey, the plea deals softened the blow, but the consequences are still life-changing. If you found this case as gripping as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.